you ready? And could you put your letter in right here? A little this way. A little this way. There you go. Push it in. There you go. Good job. Where is it? There it is.
That's good. Grab this top.
I think it disappeared. Can you do it?
Let me put my hand there and use it.
Hold on, and drop it with the string. Hold on to the string and drop it. Almost. Right.
Oh, we got a special toy coming.
Uh-oh. Look.
Waiting for you, Mr. White. It's going to be coming up.
Watch it.
Uh-oh, I feel the cold air. There it comes. Hey, buddy. That's for you, man.
Say thank you.
There you go.
For you.
See her in there?
Yeah! Hello! Your name is Santa. Your name is what?
Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walk-throughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.